is FSSAI allowing it? And any Godbird, immediately raise your voice, because children of India and people of India deserve better. If they continue this, we should boycott.
Did you get any support from any of the fraternity members?
No, none.
Do you think the results would have been far better?
Obviously, they would have been far better, far earlier, and without much risk to me or my.
Oh my God.
At least don't take funds from this company. Don't encourage. Don't have their stalls in IAP conferences. No. But the leaders were very indifferent. Some of them even were very mean and. Okay, we are not guinea pigs for some Johnson & Johnson company here. Kenvue is nothing but a spin-off of Johnson & Johnson.
Yes.
Let them start filing cases. System needs a lot of cleanup, and obviously that needs everybody to come together.
Hi ma'am, it's an honor to be sitting next to you right now. Whatever you have done is actually historical. I think before anything I'd want to talk 3 months ago, I think when we met
in the Vijayawada airport, and we were discussing this very topic where I was telling you I'm so upset. There's no support from anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Except Endocrine Society of India and the social media parents, journalists.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I remember we were so strongly talking about this topic even back then.
Yes.
And you were very keen on even one more thing where you were talking about a pediatric supplement which was not supposed to be given. Not just this.
Which has ashwagandha, that Gridzo thing.
Yes,
I was
we were
talking
looking
about
at the papers and all of that.
Yeah.
I'm
and
so
I
glad
was asking you, like, how many studies are there in kids? You said hardly any, and in adults also, like,
the studies are very few.
Very few, and if you use it for long term, there are case
Effects
reports
on the
of liver.
Yes, ma'am.
And people were promoting them left, right, center for kids.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
was upset about that.
Yes,
Yes.
So yeah, I think from then your saga much before to even now it's continued. I think somewhere the battle has shown the result now, though there is something that is still yet to be completed.
Yeah.
But you've gone a long way, ma'am. It is huge, historical, and amazingly inspirational. So it's a pleasure to be seated here. So if you don't mind, can you tell how did it start? When did you first feel? What was the inception? What did you start like?
Basically, see, Kavya, we all learn from the very beginning that oral rehydration salts. Actually, ORS stands for oral rehydration salts. Okay, earlier we just had one sachet and mix it in 1 liter water kind of. Nowadays we have 4 gram and 20 gram sachet, 4 gram in 200 ml water, 20 gram in 1 liter water. And we know that it's a medicine, it has a precise formula, and we know that in India every year 1 to 3 lakh children die because of diarrhea. And these are all preventable deaths. 90% to 95% we can prevent by giving correct rehydration. And what is that correct rehydration? A properly prepared oral rehydration solution. The exact formula. 75 milliosmol per liter sodium, 75 milliosmol per liter glucose will be in that, in addition to potassium chloride and other things, right? This is
a known thing.
Yeah.
But it is being adulterated?
Yes.
So did you first
not adulterate? Basically, this has to get permission from CDSCO, right? It's a drug, right? And it has a precise formula, right?
Yeah.
The formula was designed in such a way that sodium glucose together take water along with them through the sodium glucose co-transporter.
Yes, ma'am.
So too much sugar will pull out water into the gut and worsen the diarrhea. Too less sugar will not help with the rehydration at all.
Basically they don't help in
hydration. So we need appropriate formulation, right? So basically at that time we would never think that people can be so devious as to name something ORS
but actually
and sell it, mislead people into believing that it is the real ORS. And at the cost of lives and health of children. We wouldn't think people would be so devious, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when one parent asked me, I asked her to give ORS for diarrhea. She said, is ORS cell ORS same? Yeah, must be same.
Yeah.
I mean, I never thought. Then the child's diarrhea worsened. Then after it was recurring, and then I have a friend called Dr. Ijum Ado from Arunachal.
Okay, ma'am.
He also mentioned the same, and then we both asked actually parents to get what they were giving, and they showed these Tetra packs, Apple Wala,
yeah,
ORS L.
L.
Okay, so and everybody was giving that, not the real ORS. And this ORSL has almost 10 times the
More.
actual recommended sugar as
Sugar.
per WHO recommended formula. And obviously, it was worsening the diarrhea, and children were getting hospitalized.
Right, ma'am.
Obviously, we won't witness deaths because the parent would bring them to us and we
Right.
would take care, right? But
Right.
what is happening in rural areas, nobody
We don't
knows.
know.
All these deaths will go down as diarrheal deaths. They
Yes.
wouldn't go down as
As-
deaths, diarrhea
Correct.
worsened by ORSL and then deaths, right?
Yes, ma'am. True,
That's
very
how
true.
they were escaping.
Right.
And moreover, they wouldn't get permission from CDSCO
Right.
because they got very cleverly permission from FSSAI as a beverage, as a drink. As a drink, okay, and but kept it everywhere in pharmacies, hospitals, schools. So even if CDSCO says, okay, we didn't give permission, FSSAI gave, but CDSCO has to ensure that these drinks are not sold in the pharmacies and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Hospitals, and everything comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
feel there has to be strict regulation
should
where
be a
only WHO recommended formula ORS is allowed in the pharmacies and hospitals.
And not just any random
Forever.
labels. Yeah.
Now I'm worried, this ORSL people, I want you to focus on this. They will come up with O will become Q, a little small, and it can be QRSL, or they will make it D and it will become Dr. Cell.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, but it will
They'll-
look like still
But
ORS.
still to sell the remnant.
Yes, yes,
might
they
do it.
can do. So,
Wow.
so government has to be very clear that it is not only like ORS, anything mimicking it, anything close to it.
How it looks, we should. They
Shouldn't
should be
they
a very
shouldn't
vigilant
use
body.
yes. Only WHO recommended formula ORS should be allowed to have ORS on its label,
Right.
and the permission will be given only by CDSCO.
Or also, ma'am, I think it is very important that whoever is prescribing, maybe from now on, for example, if I am prescribing, I better ask them to show me what they're taking.
Yeah, and you have to explain how
Mm.
devious people can be, how how I would say it's criminal, man. Especially, see, there was a case filed in Delhi High Court by a parent, Mrs. Rupa Singh. Her child's condition worsened. She went for ORS, they gave ORSL. She filed a case, not that the company is not aware.
Yeah.
Okay,
spite
FSSAI is
of that.
aware. I
Mm.
have written so many times. I have sent proofs. On 8 April 2022, order was issued. And then it was taken back saying like, okay, you sell it with a disclaimer. This is not fair.
Fair.
So
Yeah,
there
it's
are a
not-
lot of loopholes in the system which made this happen. So
which made it easily escape and still be.
yes, yes.
Mm.
And again this order came. Again they went for a stay.
Yeah.
And Delhi High Court gave only 1 week's time for them to submit the representation to FSSAI. By now, FSSAI should have come out
Come
with, should have started implementing the order. But
But
still, you are getting them
Yeah,
everywhere.
it is available on
Yeah,
so many
even
supermarkets.
on in the online commerce platforms, it's still available.
E-commerce. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's crazy.
I think it should be
Crazy.
stopped.
Government has to bring a strict regulation. If somebody, even on the e-commerce platforms, ask for ORS, they should get only WHO recommended formula ORS. Now, some fast and up tablet
Yes, ma'am.
that is
yeah.
also being sold as
Fast
ORS.
and up. Yeah.
Yeah, that also. And now, if you type ORS, you get Electro Rush and something and all.
Yes, ma'am.
This one has to be very clear. ORS means
ORS.
ORS. That's all. WHO recommended formula ORS.
Right.
And awareness, earlier Doordarshan, they used to clearly tell, about rehydration. Nowadays, like not many people watch
Talk about it.
Doordarshan.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
government has to do through other
Modalities.
other TV, other YouTube, whatever, social media, print media. That awareness should go to every nook and corner if we want to prevent these 1 lakh to 3 lakh children from dying.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
not like 1 week in a year we celebrate ORS week and we are done with it.
Yeah.
That's not the way it has
That's
to
not.
be.
I think people should actually know that what they're having is not what they're supposed to have. and then actually not even buy it.
Yeah, they should understand what to give, how to prepare the solution, how not to also. Some people take pinch of powder, some water and mix. That's not how it should be.
Yeah.
So 4 gram in 200 ml and 20 gram in 1 liter
liter.
water, and the fonts should increase the instructions, and in regional language, pictorial representation,
It should
lot
be
of
very clear.
awareness. All this should be
I think
done.
changed.
And how to prepare it at home. If you don't have the sachets, how to prepare it at home, like a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Teaspoon is 5 ml in 200 ml water, or half teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar in 1 liter water. Clean water, of course, drinking water.
Drinking water.
Yeah. And discard it off in 24 hours. This all things should be, this awareness has to come very strongly from the government.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially rural and remote areas, and where malnourishment is more, and the risk of diarrheal deaths is more.
Yeah, infections are high.
They have to do it. This is very, very important.
And I think also, ma'am, not just recently, there was an incident in Bangalore wherein an adult had succumbed to this diarrheal episode, for which he had died because a diarrheal episode in ORS was taken. So I think it is not just in children.
I'm not aware of death, but definitely there was a report where
there was a death.
There was a death.
Yeah, there was a death.
Worsening of diarrhea.
Yeah. So I think it's kids, children along with adults. I think what we are taking, the right formulation at the right time. I think they're just in that utter pressure. I think whatever is available, they just take it. I think the availability, keeping them available.
I would say whatever the pharmacist gives, they will believe.
They will. Oh, no, they will just go and say, I have headache, give me something, or I have fever, give me something.
And they will take that. They will take that. And in remote areas, even if these people change the label, if they don't have ORS in the label, but still, because of the margin of profit, profit margin, they will still be given these, and people will still take this. That's why government has to be very strict that only WHO recommended formula ORS should be available. Pharmacies, medical facilities, and schools. Even otherwise, drinking these liquids, the so-called energy drink, whatever, every day is not a great idea, right? So much sugar every day, obesity.
Yes, with so much of increasing of metabolic syndrome, even in children, even in adults. I think these things which are so
dental caries.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. See, one is lifestyle. Second is they drinking these electrolyte drinks supposedly because they're tired, because they think they cannot have something easily available for them during their busy schedules, is actually causing them more harm. Not just in this, but it's causing so much of metabolic syndrome, causing their livers and heart at stake, and hence I think we're seeing so many increased cases of early strokes. And
for your information, now one of these companies, because I don't have proof, but I've heard that the major culprit in this whole thing is coming up with a very huge campaign for the electrolyte drink, and they're going to involve female influencers. I'm not telling mom influencers, like women influencers, to influence women to take their drink as an energy drink.
Oh my God.
Massive campaign. But anyway, I can't do that. Is at their women's discretion. Rehydration
is what?
If you're dehydrated or you have diarrhea, please, you have to get only WHO recommended formula ORS prepared in the right way. Even if you want to buy Tetra Pak, go for WHO recommended formula ORS. Please make sure.
Or else make it at home.
Beyond that, I can't do anything. But government has to ensure that pharmacies and medical facilities don't have any of these, even if they change their label.
Right.
The ORS, Relebelance with ORS, Glucon-D Active ORS, Himalaya Rehydrate, Zincovit Active. I know everything. Electro-Choice, more and more will come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Electro Rush.
Yeah.
This all shouldn't be there in pharmacy. It's not fair.
Yeah, I think everything at once. I don't think every company should be named each time. I think once and for all, this thing should be removed, and only the WHO recommended.
Yeah, and it's not enough if I keep saying it. It has to come strongly from all everyone. Associations, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Indian Medical Association. To tell you, to be very frank, except Endocrine Society of India and Women Pediatricians Forum, none of them supported me. At least IMA president at least said in a meeting, But IAP though were very indifferent to me. Some of the members gave me moral support and did speak out in the meetings, I know for sure, but the leaders were very indifferent. Some of them even were
I remember you
very
were
mean
mentioning
and
this.
to me, and literally mocked me.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is very, very sad.
And
ma'am,
they
when-
continue to take funds from this very company.
Yes, ma'am. Even for their representation for conferences. That's what I remember you telling
Conferences
me.
and neonatal resuscitation programs. So one side your this company is
Is causing harm.
harm, and other side
You're actually.
it's not like you kill somebody and you exonerate the crime
Crime.
by saving
Sa-
somebody. Yeah,
Yes, yeah. I think that's very sad. I
very
think
sad.
for once and for all, even the company should know. Don't know how easy it is to convey that to the company. Ma'am, how much of resistance did you get from the corporate system?
You can see the resistance, no, in spite of that order coming, so much public awareness coming, they still went to the court and said we have 155 to 180 crore stock in circulation, and all the goodwill we have earned will over 20 years will go
But
away.
how do you think they're
Will
saying
go
it?
away
What-
if we recall the stock, it
I'm
seems.
still not understanding the integrity there, ma'am. With what
You
they're
will
selling.
never understand. I will never understand. There is no integrity there. There is no morality there. There are no ethics there.
Yeah, I think when someone has labeled you wrong, how are you even actually going there to sell the remnant? So I think.
And how is FSSAI allowing it?
Hmm.
That 1 week is done. 17th October, High Court has said it. 24th October is done. Today is 28th
28th.
October.
Yeah, so I think so. You faced it for so long, resistance, ma'am, and
Yeah.
there
Now
was no-
also, see, they still have stocks, but at least they said they won't produce more. That order has gone.
Okay, so they have said that they're not going to produce anymore.
That order was sent.
Oh, lovely. Okay,
That's for sure.
okay.
But as I said, see, O can become a small Q or a small, no?
Yeah. Yes,
But
ma'am.
that also should not
Maybe
be
a
allowed.
vigilant. I don't know how easy is it, ma'am, but producing.
But now awareness is more, I think, like, other than me, other people also will be vigilant.
Yeah, or if I mean, forming a vigilant body, I don't know how easy is it, but I think every doctor, I think that's what I would do. If you're prescribing an ORS, make sure that they see what you're getting
Yes.
and then only say yes. Otherwise, you're not even prescribing it.
Yes.
If that person is not close to you, might as well tell a home remedy to take rather than giving them something that we don't know what they're gonna take.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I think that is an ideal thing for all the
Yes.
doctors to do.
We have to explain. We have to explain.
Very religiously to not take this if they don't know what they're gonna take.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, did you get any support from any of the fraternity members?
No, that's what I told you. No, none.
None other than
Except few who have morally supported me, who have did raise their voice in the IAP. Few of them, but they were suppressed, and
Suppressed?
those voices were suppressed. I
Mm.
mean, basically, they
Yeah,
didn't support me. I begged them to implead in my petition, and to the extent that I told them, okay, you don't implead in my petition, at least don't take funds from this company. Don't encourage. Don't have their stalls in IAP conferences. No.
But that continued.
Yeah.
Is there something that you think can be done right now from your end by people who are there online or
Just
offline?
be watchdogs. Don't let, like how I mean, be watchful, and any godbird, immediately raise your voice. Raise your voice, because children of India and people of India deserve better.
Better and better health.
Okay, we
yeah.
are not guinea pigs for some Johnson Johnson company here. Kenyu is nothing but a spin-off of Johnson Johnson.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and moreover, if they continue doing this godbird, I want people, parents whose children have suffered a lot, and obviously parents suffer if their children.
Yes.
Let
ma'am.
them start filing cases, like
Yeah.
how Miss Rupa Singh did.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I think
If
we
they
should,
continue this, we should boycott.
we should
Any
boycott
of
the
them who try to
the
continue deceiving our people, we should boycott those companies.
that entire company should be. I think
If they continue to deceive.
in rest of the outside of India, ma'am, the labeling, the ingredients, everything is very, very, very clearly mentioned. But for us, for some reasons, it's not so clear. Nor do we know what is on the ingredient list. I think the change should even start beginning from there.
But how many of Indians can read the labels? We should read.
Pictography.
That's what I was
Picturography of the
saying.
things.
No, pictures.
So even
to
labels
convey
are,
the information, especially such crucial things.
yeah, okay. Otherwise, ma'am, I think the regulatory bodies giving these things, there should be a complete door wherein these can't come. That cannot happen ever again.
Like
in
what? I didn't understand.
anything, not just related to ORS. Like if we have spoken about ashwagandha, there are at least hundreds or 200s companies which are selling ashwagandha along with turmeric.
So this FSSAI, CDSCO separate thing is there, no? So I think that's where people are exploiting that
Gap.
gap.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know how it can be done, but it has to be done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
So maybe before giving permission to anything to do with supplements or anything to do with health, I think there has to be an integrative body.
which says that this is allowed in so and so proportion and amount.
Yeah, it's not like CDSC was separate, FSSAI is separate.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
Gridzo will get permission from FSSAI,
Yeah,
right?
and CDC
Yeah, exactly. They will
might
know
know
how
or might not even know about
what's
it.
happening.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, one more thing. Do you think the results would have been far better if the entire fraternity would have
Obviously, they would have been far better, far earlier, and without much risk to me or my. Okay, let it be. Just leave it.
Ma'am, what kind of example awareness are you looking out for? Ingredients or something that you want an education in the entire school education system? So if you
I
want to
didn't-
educate at the level of schools, these, do you think that will be beneficial to the teachers, to the school, to the
Definitely,
children?
no. We
And
have
what do you
to.
think we should be telling them?
We should be telling them about the correct rehydration. So whenever I take my first aid session, I'm very passionate about first aid and
CPRs.
CPR. I trained so many school teachers, right? Thousands actually. So whenever I do, I always carry these sachets, I carry the Tetra packs and I educate them. And older kids also attend.
Right.
And today, give me that roll. Yeah, see that. This child, their parents taught her and she drew this and brought for me.
Oh, so nice.
Later on,
ma'am.
you can take a nice pic. Her
Yeah.
name is Tanishka.
So nice.
No
ma'am.
to ORSL, fake ORS, cross mark. So children are also learning.
Very nice. I think they should start at a very, very early age.
Yeah.
I think I have told my daughter,
Yeah.
I think it should be a parent's duty to tell them that if someone is giving you something, like how we say, don't go out with strangers, don't do this.
Yeah.
I think we should tell this also. So, what are the problems that parents are neglecting today, according to you, ma'am, which might become as a serious problem or a health condition in the future for adults?
No, parents want to learn. Parents don't want to neglect. I think it's our job as pediatricians to empower them.
Yeah.
If we are ready to empower, they are ready to learn.
In cases of anything related to food, lifestyle, anything that you see is unchangeable, that you've seen that is very
No,
strict.
they will change if we explain properly. It's our job to explain about the importance of balanced diet, explain about the importance of not taking shortcuts, explain about the importance of responsive feeding, explain about the importance of on-demand feeding, explain about the importance of first aid and CPR, first aid for ear pain, stomach pain, loose motion, fever, everything. If we explain prevention of allergies, prevention of accidents, and when to meet the doctor, when not
No need to.
no need to go to the doctor for little cough cold, and about the importance of reading the label properly, giving the correct doses, not leaving the medicines lying around, not leaving choking hazards lying around, not giving foods which are choking hazards. See, basically, teaching them and making them aware and empowering them with the right knowledge. If we are ready to do, they are ready to.
Parents are
learn.
always ready to.
Yeah, they are.
No,
See, kid is their life, man.
Yeah.
They will be ready to learn. It's just that we need that little bit,
And we should actually tell them what is needed to be told.
Yeah, pediatric visit doesn't mean just giving vaccination or treating the illness.
Yes, ma'am.
Primary health care, first of all, prepare them for everything.
Prevent and prepare them for anything.
Exactly, what to do, what not to do, when to reach the doctor, when to go to the emergency. Clarity should be there.
Right, ma'am. True, very true. Did you see that there is an increase in usage of antibiotics now? by parents? Or
What now? It has been there forever only.
So do you see a lot
Over
of
the counter. That's why so much antibiotic
superbug
resistance
Yes, ma'am.
is there now. So many superbugs. So many people are dying because antibiotics are not working for them, right? So we have to raise a lot of awareness.
So do you want to tell this is the time you start using, or only start using after prescription, and do not take?
I don't understand. People say if 3 days if your fever doesn't go, you use What is that logic?
Yeah.
Sometimes viral fever stay 5 days. Ask
7
them
days,
to come
10
for
days.
follow up,
Yeah.
examine. If you think there is a bacterial infection, then prescribe, or you do the test, then suggest your bacterial infection, you prescribe.
Yes, ma'am.
And recently also, I was patiently following up. It was clearly human metapneumovirus. It will stay for 5 to 6 days, then only go. 5th day ending, whole family pressurized the mother
To give the
to start antibiotic.
Yes.
And anyway, now she gave fever 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock antibiotic, no fever. What they will think? Antibiotic worked.
Yeah.
Basically, it's not
not
that.
the
The
antibiotic, it's
virus
the
has
immune
gone away
system
from
that
the
has
body.
removed the
That's all.
virus. Yes, ma'am.
That's all. So, fault is there from our side also.
And
If 3 days fever is there, give antibiotic. This doesn't make sense.
also, I think, ma'am, there is a lot of misconception that happens wherein if there is a fever, first of all, it could be a viral fever, but they think antibiotics can actually kill a viral fever.
Yeah, they think antibiotic is a solution for everything. The
Everything.
fault is again from us only, because over years we may have created that impression, given that impression. So now they won't even reach us. They'll go to the medical shop, take the antibiotic, and antibiotic means both antiviral and antibacterial, but traditionally antibiotic means antibacterial. So that kind of, antibacterial antibiotic is not the solution for everything.
Yes.
If basically that particular germ is not there in your body and you give this,
it's not going to work.
It's not going to work. Only the side effects will dominate and you're contributing to the resistance. The bugs will become resistant to this antibiotic. Tomorrow, when your child actually needs this antibiotic won't work.
Yes.
Won't work. And not only for your child, for people around him also, it might not work.
Yes, ma'am. And I think we've also seen this because of this antibiotic resistance, so much of overusage. We've seen that there's reduced amount of good bacteria in the gut, and hence developing a lot more complications because of that.
Yes, that gut microbiome is also
the
getting
entire
affected.
Dysbiosis, the entire system, not only in children, I think it's seen a lot more in adults too nowadays, because I think it manifests more in the adults.
See, the kids I see, they'll come. I'll say, Amma, it's viral fever. I'll say, give paracetamol, as I'll explain first aid. Madam, we are taking azithral, or we are taking augmentin, or doxycycline. One of that they're just taking, that's all. Our doctor told, how is it possible that same time kid and parent is having cough, cold, fever? How can it be that this kid is having viral and
mother is
having something different?
Yes,
and the kid will improve. Anyway, I know that for sure. It doesn't make sense, isn't it? So our threshold, our fraternity's threshold to start antibiotics also is very low.
Was at least, I think now, because
little bit it has improved. Let us be frank, Kavya.
Yes, I think it's better now. I think the resistance profile where we have seen in the operative cases, post-op cases, has actually brought us very beware of pre-op and routine.
No, Kavya, maybe in the urban, rural, it's still the same. Still the same. And most people in India are in the rural area, and worst are these RMPs who give 1 day of high-end antibiotics IV, high-end steroids IV, and that's even worse.
Yes,
even worse, without even knowing what they're giving for what. And
I think because they feel good in 1 day, they take the entire family there for any illness again and again. The entire family becomes resistant.
Steroid will make you feel good temporarily, right? Later, when things worsen,
it reflects.
They wouldn't even know
why it happened. And they themselves will refer to us. And then they must have come to us with a super bug. And again, it becomes
a big challenge.
Yes, ma'am. I think
The system needs a lot of cleanup, and obviously that needs everybody to come together.
yes, ma'am. I think all of us, I think we have started not giving, especially when we get calls from close family members, friends, or everyday patients. I think not starting them on an antibiotic, I think which we are doing now, which is
Some
started,
of us.
some of us, yeah. I think we should continue this on a very larger scale, not give them if it is unnecessary, and only after proving evidence, if we have
At
seen.
least clinically, at least
Yeah.
at least clinically, clinical suspicion, because not everybody can afford the investigations in
Right,
our
ma'am.
country. So
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least clinically have a diagnosis.
I think it is also to do with the taboo that I don't want to take my child to a doctor. No, 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 my child is fine. No, or they have an apprehension around it that what if they take and they say there's some other major problem. I think the fear, there's a lot of fear is also
No, I
there.
see the other end. Even slightest cold, they will come.
I have seen a lot of fear. They don't want to know what is there. So they kind of don't even want to get investigated, or don't even want to come to a doctor. So they just may, I have normal things only, I'm fine. But they want to miss out on major things because they don't want to know what is wrong with them.
For me, it's the other experience.
Yeah.
They want to make sure their baby
There
is
is
all
nothing
right.
major.
But I keep telling them, don't come unnecessarily. You are unnecessarily paying my fee. That's all.
Yeah.
And I explain to them so that at least next time they don't get the kids to me unnecessarily.
Unless I think kid having fever, if it is a normal fever which is lasting for a day to 3 or 5, is actually good, because the immunity is increasing.
You can
And,
wait it out unless the child is very dull or
not active,
or it's an infant, especially below 6 months of age.
and even the temperature, if it is
Very
around
dull,
99 to
drowsy,
100.
breathing fast, lot of ear pain, not drinking milk, not hydrating.
Yes,
Then
I think the
or lasting more than 5 days.
yeah, anything that is lasting more than 5 days, I think
Yeah.
should be
Or
addressed.
very young baby.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I would say good gut bacteria, great health, superbug. We're talking so much. So, when is it that you think anyone should come to you? You want them to wait for 3 days and come to you? Want them to wait for 5 days and come to you? Or how do you want this?
Usually, I tell them that only appropriate temperature
can't
control,
reach you.
good hydration,
If they can't reach you.
appropriate temperature control, good hydration, ear pain, apply a warm cloth.
Okay.
Gives the same paracetamol that you give for fever,
For pain
unless
also.
Unless your child has an allergy to paracetamol. And stomach pain, apply a warm cloth. Encourage the child to empty his bowels. Okay, if the fever persists more than 5 days, or if it's an infant, especially less than 6 months, so prefer to see on the first or second day only. And if the baby is breathing fast, drowsy, dull, or severe ear pain, continuous vomiting, you're not able to hydrate your baby
Not
well,
active.
or the fever is lasting more than 5 days, or
Then,
any bleeding anywhere,
so anything that is not, like you see that the child is not active, your child,
especially when fever is
suffering.
down.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, okay. So, and temperature, if it is more than 100, less than 100, I think less than 100 you wait it out.
104, 105 kind of thing, definitely once pay a visit. That much, if the child is mounting, na, once
is a
better
need.
meet the pediatrician. And as far as giving paracetamol, underarm temperature 99.5 to 100 or more. And we advise parents to be thorough with first aid for seizures, because febrile seizures are very common between 6 months to 6 years. Not force food, only ensure good hydration. అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను. నా విన్నపం ఏంటంటే అమ్మ, ఓఆర్ఎస్ అనేది చాలా మంచిది. కానీ మీరు కొనుక్కున్నప్పుడు ప్యాకెట్ మీద WHO రికమెండెడ్ ఫార్ములా ఓఆర్ఎస్ అని రాసుందా లేదా చూసుకోండి. 4 గ్రాముల ప్యాకెట్ అయితే 200 మిల్లీ నీళ్ళల్లో కలపండి. 20 గ్రాముల ప్యాకెట్ అయితే లీటర్ నీళ్ళల్లో కలిపి 24 గంటలు అట్టిపెట్టుకుని పాడేసేయండి. మీరు టెట్రా ప్యాక్ కొన్న WHO రికమెండెడ్ ఫార్ములా ఓఆర్ఎస్ అని రాసుంటేనే కొనండి. అండ్ ఇంట్లో తయారు చేసుకోవాలంటే చిటికెడు ఉప్పు, 1 టీ స్పూన్ చక్కెర, టీ స్పూన్ అంటే 5 మిల్లీ స్పూన్ చక్కెర 200 మిల్లీ నీళ్ళలో కలిపి ఓఆర్ఎస్ తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదా అర టీ స్పూన్ ఉప్పు, 6 టీ స్పూన్ చక్కెర లీటర్ నీళ్ళలో కలిపి తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. శుభ్రమైన కాసి ఆరబెట్టిన నీళ్లు 24 గంటలు అది పాడేయచ్చు. ఇదే కాకుండా ప్రతిదానికి మందు అని మెడికల్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళి తీసేసుకోవద్దు. జ్వరం వస్తే ఏం చేయాలి, జలుబు దగ్గు వస్తే ఏం చేయాలి, ఫిట్స్ వస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? గొంతుకేమైనా అడ్డం పడితే ఏం చేయాలి? చెవి నొప్పొస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? పొట్ట నొప్పొస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? స్పృహ తప్పిపోతే నా బిడ్డ ఏం చేయాలి? సీపీఆర్ ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి? ఇలాంటియన్నీ ముందే అవగాహన ఉంటే మీకు బావుంటది. మేము చాలామంది నిజాయితీగా మంచిగా సోషల్ మీడియాలో చెప్పే డాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాం. కొంచెం ఫాలో అయ్యి మీరు నేర్చుకుని అంతవరకే ఉండండి. మందులు ఆళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పారని, ఆళ్ళు చెప్పారని, ఇంకొకళ్ళు చెప్పారని, మెడికల్ షాప్‌లో ఇచ్చారని ఇవ్వొద్దు. అండ్ మందులెప్పుడు డోస్ కరెక్ట్‌గా తెలుసుకొని ఇవ్వండి. అక్కడ ఇక్కడ పడేసి ఉంచొద్దు మందులు. పిల్లలు తాగేస్తే చాలా డేంజర్ అయిపోద్ది. మన దేశంలో డ్రాప్స్ ఉంటాయి, సిరప్ ఉంటాయి. పేరు ఒకటే ఉంటది. పేరు ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్‌వైజెడ్ నుండి ఎక్స్‌వైజెడ్ స్మాల్ ఏ పక్కనుంటది. బి ఉంటది. అందులో మళ్ళా వేరే వేరేయి ఉంటాయి. మీరు డాక్టరేమో ఎక్స్‌వైజెడ్ ఏ అని రాస్తే మీరెళ్ళి ఎక్స్‌వైజెడ్ బి కొంటారు. ఓకే. సో, అందుకని కరెక్ట్‌గా డాక్టర్ రాసింది మీరు కొంది మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందో లేదో చూసుకొని అవసరమైనప్పుడు డాక్టర్ రాసినప్పుడే రాసినన్ని రోజులే మందులివ్వండి. డోస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. మందులు అక్కడ ఇక్కడ పడేయొద్దు. ప్లీజ్.
సో ఇంత విన్నారు కదా మీరు. సో ఈ రోజు నుంచైనా మనము డాక్టర్ శివరంజని గారిని మనం సపోర్ట్ చేద్దాము. ఇన్‌ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ కానియండి, డాక్టర్స్ కానియండి, ఎవరన్నా ఇప్పటి నుంచి మీరు ఆన్‌లైన్ కానియండి, ఆఫ్‌లైన్ కానియండి ఖచ్చితంగా విజిలెంట్‌గా ఉండి ఈ ఓఆర్ఎస్ఎల్ అనేది లేదా డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓ రికమెండెడ్ కానీ ఓఆర్ఎస్ ఏదన్నా బయటికి వెళ్తుంది, ఎవరన్నా వాడుతున్నారు, ఎవరన్నా అమ్ముతున్నారంటే ఖచ్చితంగా రేజ్ యువర్ వాయిస్ అండ్ మేక్ ష్యూర్ దట్ యూ డూ యువర్ బిట్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ హర్ in this large war that she's doing. So let's support her from today and let's stop it right away from our end.
So, Dr. Kavya, we are attaching a link for a petition here, and the petition would be nothing except WHO recommended formula ORS should be available in pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, or schools, and no liquid should have ORS or anything similar on its label ever, unless it conforms to WHO recommended formula ORS. మేము ఒక పిటిషన్కి లింక్ పెడుతున్నాం ఇక్కడ. ఓకే. WHO రికమెండెడ్ ఫార్ములా ఓఆర్ఎస్ తప్ప ఫార్మసీస్లో, హాస్పిటల్స్లో, క్లినిక్స్లో, స్కూల్స్లో ఇంకా వేరే ఏ లిక్విడ్ అమ్మకూడదు. అండ్ సూపర్ మార్కెట్లో కానీ ఈ కామర్స్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో కానీ అమ్మినా కూడా ఓఆర్ఎస్ అనేది ఓన్లీ WHO రికమెండెడ్ ఫార్ములా ఓఆర్ఎస్ అయితేనే ఓఆర్ఎస్ కానీ అలా ఓఆర్ఎస్ లాంటివి కానీ వాటి మీద ఉంటాకి అలౌ చేయాలని మేము గవర్నమెంట్కి పిటిషన్ పంపుతున్నాం.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure to have met you. I think there was a purpose why I met you 3 months ago to actually witness this historical thing. And I hope not just me, a lot of fraternity comes forward to pass on what you have started, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.